Kodi users should follow this simple tip to avoid a major hidden risk. Kodi users are being advised to check all devices that have the TV player installed, as a major hidden risk could put them in danger. With over 5 million UK users, Kodi is slowly changing the way people consume TV. The legal player continues its march to success, and there's a simple reason why it may be so popular. Illegal add-ons can be installed on Kodi which allow users to access premium content such as sports and movies for free. Although the use of these add-ons has been growing in recent years, they have come under increased scrutiny from content providers, ISPs, and the UK government. With threats of legal action, fines and even jail, many users have become well aware of the risks. However, there's another hidden danger that could be far more serious. In response to article from mrkuzof.com, even Kodi themselves are alerting users about the hazards of using some set-top boxes that come preloaded with the player. These devices are readily available on the web and, until recently, were even on sale via popular sites such Facebook, Amazon, and eBay. In a message posted on Twitter, the team from Kodi warned, basically, if you buy cheap products from China, they aren't always safe. Stick to name brands or look for the CE logo, and you should be fine. The warning comes after a major survey found that many Kodi-style streaming boxes bought online do not meet national electrical safety regulations. This not only means they are illegal but could also be putting owners at risk from fire and electric shock. Product Safety Manager at Electrical Safety First, Steve Kurtler said, "We urge anyone with one of these devices to unplug it and stop using it immediately. Not only are these devices breaking the law, but they could be putting your loved ones at risk." And Director General of FACT, Kieran Sharp added, "The fact that so many illegal streaming devices have all failed to meet UK safety standards is shocking." Alongside the risks of exposing your home network to damaging malware and your children to inappropriate content, it should now be clear that the dangers these illegal devices pose far outweigh any benefit of buying them. So, with experts and even Kodi warning users about the dangers, what should users do if they are not sure about the device tucked under the TV? According to experts, the only really way to guarantee a streaming device is safe to use is to buy a known brand product direct from a reputable manufacturer, as it's impossible to tell from the outside whether a modified IPTV box is electrically safe. If you have a streaming box, there are some simple checks. Markings: look for the manufacturer's brand name or logo, model, and batch mark number. Check that there is a CE mark and that the output voltage and current ratings marked on the charge match your electrical device. Pin plugs, that they plug in easily to the socket and there is at least 9.5 mm between the edge of the pins and the edge of the charger. Warnings and instructions: it has all the necessary instructions for use and adequate warnings.